All right, guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to use a project playlist. You will see project playlists often in this class moving forward, so I want you to understand what its purpose is and how you use it. So guys, basically a project playlist is the project directions, the project procedures, taking you from day one to the final project. Okay, so planning and creating and skill building and things like that. This particular playlist, my playlist, follows the artistic process, which is explore, design, skill building, creating, reflecting, and presenting your artwork. So here's how this works. There are dates over here in the far left-hand column that are probably what you should truly stick to stay on pace with the project. They are a good guide to just keep in mind and pay attention to. Then you have a column that says My Tasks, and this is all in the Explore section of the playlist. And this Explore section is going to do exactly that. You are exploring some topic. In this situation, it is Martin Luther King's famous speech. You will be exploring his famous speech and exploring the term mixed media in art. So let me backtrack for a second. This project itself is called Drawing King's Dream, and it's going to be a 2-week long project. So you will have a little bit more time to complete it. So once you do the tasks that are assigned and click on all active links. If you ever see something blue, make sure you click on it. Then you come over here to the right-hand column, and that's My Evidence of Learning, so your evidence of learning. So what I need you to do is sometimes it will ask you to type directly in this box, which this one does. It's asking you 2 questions. Or it might say something like brainstorm, list, or sketch ideas for your own composition. So this is telling you, that you need to do something and then show the evidence that you've learned it. And sometimes I will ask for this page, I guess, but in this situation, this is just for your own planning purposes. Then stop and complete this learning log. This is going to reflect upon what you learned in the Explore section, and then you'll move on to Design. Design is where you will create a rough draft or a pencil drawing, and make sure you view this presentation to see examples and the project procedures. I will put a link here to the Schoology assignment, so as you can see, you can just follow this playlist from start to finish. Then, of course, stop and check in with me, but that feedback will be in your grade comments. Then you'll move on to skill building, which is different than what is on Wednesdays virtually, but also incredibly important because you are building your skills related to a medium or technique in this project. So for example, here you will be learning a little bit about mixed media artwork and how to go about creating that. Then finally, you will work on Final Studio Project. This is your final mixed media piece of artwork in the Create section. And be sure to review the success criteria. This is what I'm looking for. Again, you'll have the majority of the time to work on the final, and then reflect and present. These are kind of things that we do in class, so this will always just be coming soon, and I will guide you in the right direction. So again, a project playlist is from start to finish, the directions and the dates that you should stay on pace with. Let me know if you have any questions.